terms of food and beverage, it is the premier event in the world. And our students have an opportunity to be right in there with the best chefs producing the best food.
Levy is the premier food and beverage company for all sports and entertainment. The students are such an important part of what we do at Churchill, and to see that group of students come in from Penn College, the reinforcements are here. They're coming over the hill. We got you guys. Our luxury areas are about 6 areas across the track. They are ultra luxury. They have menus where there's food that you can't get anywhere but here. The PCT students really get to enjoy working with the chefs that are super high caliber in these clubs. These choice students really have an opportunity that no one else has in this world.
The students are having an impact all over the track. And I appreciate that they have a lot of faith and trust in the students, that they're going to take care of all the guests need with great food and great service.
Good job.
It can be a little bit intimidating, it can be a little bit overwhelming, but once you get into the work, you just get focused.
That was over at the salad station, so this is completely different from making some salads. I like doing stuff out of my comfort zone.
Going from slicing one baguette for service to 40 of them is a little different, but outside of that, techniques is the same.
We went through about 4 boxes of parsley that we had to chop today.
Spent the morning, lots of prep, battered and fried more chicken, helping around where needed, making crab cakes, busy and early.
Kind of was nervous coming up here. I mean, I'm good now, but it was nerve-wracking coming up here. I sliced a bunch of meat. We did shrimp and put them on skewer. It's kind of crazy.
It's just a much higher volume and a much higher speed, and if you mess something up, there's not as much room to go back and fix it, so you have to be meticulous and make sure you're doing things right the first time.
This is peppermint extract, so it has to be exact. Like, we do droplets instead of like a weight, so we're doing 25 droplets. Once he's done getting it to 225, we gotta bring it over, stir this in, and then taste it really fast to make sure if we need to add any more extract, and then pour it into the tray. It's gonna set like immediately.
I've been talking and checking in with all the students. They're a little bit tired, they're super excited, they're doing awesome. One of the best parts of this job is all the chefs that come up to me and tell me how awesome our students are.
Did an amazing job yesterday. From pastry, your job, everybody. Fry, you never had better fries in my life. You nailed it.
They were really good.
There's a lot of opportunity for the student to really show their skills. You come back with a real sense of pride, and also I think you're more confident with what's ahead.
Everyone tells you it's going to be big and there's all these people and like you have the thoughts, but you can never truly understand it until you're here and you're in it.
It will give you the most culinary experience that you can get. You're getting the long hours, the long days.
Here it's just go, go, go constantly, and I think that's a good thing to learn because it's a lot more realistic than what the classroom setting's like.
The amount of stuff and the teamwork, especially in the kitchen, the amount of stuff that we've been producing with this amount of time is kind of crazy.
The days just keep getting longer and longer, so it's definitely not for the faint of heart.
We were there pretty early. I'd say it was like a 15-hour day yesterday. My feet hurt, man. You gotta get comfortable with being uncomfortable, and I've gotten comfortable with that this week.
I always forget that it's like beautiful outside because I'm in the kitchen for like 12 hours and I come out here and I'm like, oh wow, it was a nice day today.
Longest day was 17 hours. It's a long day, but at the same time, there are so many connections here. You can find connections around the country.
Your same grill today.
Churchill. Here in the mansion, we have some of the heads of multiple properties from the East Coast, the West Coast, and so I've had the opportunity to talk to them and talk about where I want to go, what city I might want to live in. So as soon as I graduate, I have multiple places to go.
This is it. This is Derby Day. This is the big, big day.
I'm excited, ready to do it, excited to see the guests again, and you know, last day we get to go home after this.
I'm quite excited. Yesterday was the rough day and now today's the easy day.
Just one service instead of two, so it's half the food we have to have prepped. And today's the fun day. I mean, we're excited, the guests are going to be excited, and that just makes life easy.
I'm really excited to watch the Derby. I'm excited to watch it on top of the roof. That should be even more fun. Yeah.
The gratitude at the end is just that much more magnified. When we get to stand on the top of Churchill and watch the Derby race and watch those 170,000 people really, tip their hats to us, really you hear that you feel that electricity in the air, that's really what it's all about.
Absolutely crazy. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. It's awesome. It makes it worthwhile. Yeah, absolutely. I can't say enough about not only the school, Levy, everybody involved has been awesome, welcoming, and I'm really excited for what's next.
We did something really special. We did something really big. I'm just incredibly honored to be the leader of that group. And I think the students, after they're there and go through the experience and reflect on it, they have that same sense of pride. It's an experience that will be with them for the rest of their life.